Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Node, JS, NPM or Yarn, and Git. Once confirmed, clone or extract the admin template into a dedicated project folder so files stay organized. Next, run npm install or Yarn to pull dependencies. This prepares build tools and UI libraries. Make sure to check package. JSON scripts for start/build commands. If you use environment files, copy. Env. Example 2. Env now so your API endpoints and keys are set before you boot the dev server. Once dependencies are ready, open config and environment files to wire your API endpoints, authentication tokens, and feature flags so the dashboard talks to backends correctly. Then customize theme variables, route definitions, and layout components to match your brand and navigation flow. Make small iterative changes and preview frequently. After that, connect your data sources. Use mock data initially if needed, so charts and tables render. You should test key pages and user roles as you change components to avoid breaking navigation. When customization is complete, run the production build command and inspect bundle output for errors or oversized assets so performance stays acceptable. Deploy files to your host, set environment variables on the server, and configure CDN and caching for static assets. After deployment, test critical workflows, login, data updates, and role-based views. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting by checking browser console logs, network requests, and that server env vars match local. Env, this usually pinpoints the common mismatch or cores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.